The BMW i8 Roadster Final Edition marks the culmination of BMW's groundbreaking run of its hybrid sports cars, built from May 2018 to June 2020. It represents not just the end of production but a celebration of the model's futuristic design, innovative engineering, and eco-performance ethos, combining a 1.5-liter three-cylinder petrol engine with a potent electric motor. Design philosophy: open-top futurism. Externally, the Final Edition retains the swooping, aerodynamic lines that first defined the i8 concept. The Roadster enhances them with a two-piece soft top that opens in just 15 seconds, operable at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. Carbon fiber reinforced plastic, CFRP, and aluminum chassis bring lightness and strength, with two bubble-shaped engine nacelles flaring behind the cockpit, giving the Roadster a dynamic profile even when still. Final Edition tweaks. Under the Final Edition banner, BMW made subtle but effective upgrades. Chief among these was an 11.6 kilowatt-hours battery, up from the original 7.1 kilowatt-hours, which pushed electric-only range to 53 kilometers, EPA-rated 18 miles. Drivers also benefit from sharper suspension tuning and steering, addressing criticism of the i8 Coupe's tepid steering feel. Weight savings came from the CFRP shell but were offset by reinforcement and folding top hardware. Performance and powertrain. The hybrid system combines a rear-wheel drive, turbocharged petrol engine, 231 PS, with a front-mounted electric motor, 143 PS, delivering a combined 374 PS and 570 Nm torque. Acceleration is brisk, 0 to 100 km per hour in roughly 4.6 seconds, with a governed top speed of 250 km per hour. Electric-only top speed jumps to 75 miles per hour, letting you slip through traffic silently and swiftly. Economy and efficiency. Fuel economy was a major highlight. Under standardized testing, the i8 achieves around 2.1 L/100 km, almost equals 112 mpg UK or 76 mpg EPA, with real-world figures frequently between mid-30s to the mid-50s mpg depending on driving habits and electric mode usage. In mixed-use commuting, especially evening plug-ins, 50+ mpg is common, making it comparably economical to compact cars in urban driving. Handling and driving feedback. Driving Electric's video review captures the Roadster's improved dynamics through its electric-assisted front end and stiffened chassis. Cornering is more purposeful and less prone to understeer than earlier coupes. BMW's variable steering also reacts quicker and feels more linear, especially in sport mode. Suspension changes and subtle rear-end tuning bring that supercar composure expected at these performance levels. Interior and tech. Step inside to find BMW's latest iDrive infotainment displayed on an 8.8 touchscreen, backed by handwriting recognition and a premium Harman/Kardon system. A head-up display, HUD, offers driving data, though users wearing polarized sunglasses may lose some visibility, a curious inconvenience noted by Wired. Still, the minimalist cabin blends luxury with futuristic touches and intuitive controls. Practicality and daily use. While rear seats are gone in the Roadster to make room for the folding roof, the removal gained a small additional storage bin behind the engine cover. Two love seats and compact trunk space remind you that this is a performance-focused vehicle, not a grand tourer. That said, owners commend its usability in urban settings. Electric commuting, moderate cargo capacity, and a plug-in routine can make it practical, if precious, with a home charger. Rarity and collector appeal. With production capped at 3,884 Roadsters and ended in June 2020 alongside coupe discontinuation, the Final Edition is scarce and poised for collector status. Second-hand values are strong. UK listings show prices starting around £31,000 for high-mileage earlier models, but pristine Final Editions command much higher premiums. Market commentators, including YouTube's Johnny Brighton, hail the model as a future classic thanks to its radical design and transitional tech. Criticisms and competitors. Even at its zenith, the i8 Roadster attracted critique. The premium price relative to rivals, 911 Cabriolet, Tesla Roadster incoming, and quirks like HUD issues and laggy sat-nav voice prompts were noted by reviewers. Still, these are outweighed by positives: engaging driving experience, broad efficiency, and standout looks. Final word. The BMW i8 Roadster Final Edition epitomizes the sweet spot of hybrid performance. It merges jaw-dropping aesthetics, eco-smart technology, and rewarding driving dynamics. Its low production run and roll as BMW's hybrid sports car swan song make it desirable to collectors and enthusiasts alike. A rare blend of charisma and practicality, it stands as a fitting finale to the iconic i8 legacy. Whether as a daily electric run commuter, weekend thrill ride, or long-term investment, the Final Edition offers compelling value and a strong case for classic status.